Good morning, my dear students. We have already taken 5 episodes of Spot the Errors and one more episode to complete. After completing that episode, after hearing that episode, you will get at least 12 marks out of the 20. I assure you, it is a guarantee from me that you will get 12 marks. There is no doubt. And today we are going to take one more episode regarding spot the errors beside antonyms and synonyms plus one word substitutes and if clause. That means you are going to acquire 4 more marks. That means you are in a good commanding position. Only 5 marks are necessary to complete it, and that will be that you can acquire, and I assure that you will pass the examination with ease, no doubt. Wish you the best of luck. First, let us start spot the errors. First one, it is high time he left the class. It is a correct one. Normally the question is being asked, it is high time he leaves the class. That is an incorrect one. Therefore, we have to say it is high time he left the class. Whenever we use high time, we have to use the second form of the verb. Next one, Romeo and Juliet loved one another. Romeo and Juliet loved one another. It is a wrong usage. Romeo and Juliet loved each other. Whenever we mention 2 persons, we have to use each other. One another is used to refer more than 2 persons. Therefore, it is correct to say Romeo and Juliet loved each other. Third one, fairly, I shall quote fairly and rather. For what fairly and rather is being used? Fairly is for deserving statements. അതായത് കൊള്ളാവുന്ന നല്ല അർത്ഥം വരുന്നതിന് fairly ഉപയോഗിക്കുക. Rather can be used for both. The lecture was fairly boring. It is an incorrect sentence. The lecture was rather boring. Whereas, when we say the lecture was very interesting, when we say that, we can say the lecture was fairly interesting. We can also use the lecture was rather interesting. Both are correct. Then, another example. She is feeling rather better today. Better. It is a comparative. So, we have to use a rather. She is feeling fairly better today is wrong because better is comparative. So, we have to say what? She is feeling rather better today. Good, better, best. Good is positive form, better comparative form, best superlative form. Okay? Then, fourth correction. He is the same boy who stole my watch. Incorrect. He is the boy who stole the watch is correct. But he is the same boy who stole the watch is incorrect. We have to say that he is the same boy that stole the watch. For same, only, none, nothing, any, all, we have to use that as relative pronoun. We must use that only. Man is the only creature on the earth. Man is the only creature on the earth that speak. Man is the only creature that speak. That is correct sentence. Man is the only creature who speaks. That is incorrect. Then next one. That is regarding a prepositional correction, normally mistaken by students. He writes dash a pen with a pen. Pen is an instrument, therefore we must use with. He writes in ink. For that case, you must use in ink. He writes in blue ink. He writes in green ink. But he writes with a blue pen. Pen is an instrument. Therefore, for pen, we have to use with. And for ink, we have to use in. The next one. Later. Later means I shall come later. Means പിന്നീട്. Later means second one. For example, I shall come later means after some time. That means after some time. Whereas latter means second one. Radhakrishnan Suresh. The former is taking English and the latter is taking biology. The latter means second one, or we can use the latter part of the book also. While book reading, we can use the latter part, means last part, latter part of the book. In that sense, we can use it. There is a great mistake committed by us, and that is also, what a fun. Everyone speaks like that. It is wrong. What fun! Exclamatory mark. What fun! Exclamatory mark. What a humbug! Humbug means nonsense. What humbug? Article is not necessary. What fun? That is correct. What a fun is a wrong usage. എന്തോ ഒരു തമാശ എന്നല്ല, എന്തൊരു തമാശ പറയുമ്പോൾ വാട്ട് ഫൺ, വാട്ട് നോൺസെൻസ്, വാട്ട് ഹംബക്. Will not use a for that. Next one. Would rather. When we use would rather, we have to use the base verb. I would rather visit the place. Would rather. After would rather, we have to use the first form of the verb. The next one. Robert Frost was captivated by sceneries. What do you mean by captivated? Attracted, impressed, influenced, enchanted. Robert Frost was captivated by sceneries. It's a wrong usage. The plural of scenery is scenery. Furniture is furniture. Baggage is baggage. Luggage is luggage. So you have to say Robert Frost is captivated by scenery. One more example I shall give. He brought all the baggages to his newly built house. He brought all the baggages to his newly built house. Wrong. All the baggage is correct. The plural of baggage is baggage. Information is information. Okay? Next one. What type of a man is he? It is wrong. What type of man is he? Type of, manner of, sort of, kind of. After that, there is no need of article. What sort of a soup is it? That is also wrong. What sort of soup? Sort of, it is a phrase. After that phrase, there is no need of a. Sort of, type of, kind of, manner of. For this, there is no need of an article. There is no need of an article regarding that. Next incorrect word. Everest is higher than any other mountains. It is an incorrect sentence. Any other is followed by a singular noun, whereas all other is followed by a plural noun. Everest is higher than any other mountain. If we use all other, Everest is higher than all other mountains. Any other is followed by a singular noun. Other thing is, we have to use all other or any other. Other can't be omitted. We must use other too, unless there is fault in that sentence. We have to use that too. Rama is taller than all other boy. Incorrect. Rama is taller than all other boys. When we use all other, we have to use a plural noun. It is a one-word substitute question. You must answer it. Normally it is being asked. One who gets money without doing job. Answer in the next class. You must place it in the comment box. I want to get a clear-cut answer from you. Okay? Thank you.
നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എൻ്റെ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു എങ്കിൽ എൻ്റെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങൾ അറിയിക്കുക. റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലുള്ള ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ അമർത്തുക. വിഷ് യു ഗുഡ് ലക്ക്. God bless you. Okay, thank you.